Hi viewers, welcome to Virtuoso palette with another pattern of tie and dye on cotton fabric. So let's go to look, watch and observe more folds and tying of cotton for tie and dye technique. Now let's go to the corner where I'll show you how I'm folding the fabric with proper crease. Here's now we are about to dye this piece of fabric. We folded and dyed, made proper crease using the iron. And now if you're my regular viewer on Virtuoso palette, you know that first we're about to add some salt in the boiling water. In a while, we'll add the powdered dye. I'm taking 1/4 spoon, this size, and adding it in the boiling water. Here I have used red powdered dye and I'm adding some black into it to give it a darker tone. The black dye I took was 1/8 spoon, the spoon I am using. Let the dye also come to a boil. To check the tone, I am about to dip the thread of this fabric to know, okay, I believe it's good to go. Now the dye has also come to boil and I am putting this fabric in the dye. Using the tongue, I'll be moving the fabric from all sides. Because the more you leave the fabric in the dye, the color will be more dark. It will give you a darker tone. The less you dip it and leave it in the dye, it will give you a lighter tone. I intend to leave it in water for 3 to 4 minutes. So let's wait. The dye is boiling on high flame. It will keep on boiling, and just to get the desired result, I'll be rotating the piece in the dye using the tongue. Viewers, it's almost time to take out the fabric from the boiling dye. Carefully using the tongue, squeeze it, switch off the flame, turn it off, put the fabric piece in the water with normal temperature. Rinse it well. It's manageable to untie it, it's not that hot. So I'll take off my gloves. Let's cut the thread. Be careful while cutting the thread that you don't cut the piece of fabric you have dyed. Look at this. It's a bit hot. While untying it, you can also use gloves to secure your hands. You can see the way we folded it and the way we tied it has given us this result. The more interesting your folds and your tying is, the better result you will get on the fabric. Stay tuned on Virtuoso palette. See you soon with another pattern of tie and dye technique. Bye!